Welcome to our channel. If your Mac's streaming app is stuck on the loading screen, follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue and get back to watching your favorite content. Step 1. Close the Mac's app completely on your device. Don't just minimize it. Fully exit the application by swiping it away or using your device's task manager. Step 2. Clear your device's cache and cookies. On mobile devices, go to Settings, find the Mac's app, and select Clear Cache. On browsers, access browser settings and clear browsing data. Step 3. Check your internet connection speed. Run a speed test to ensure you have at least 5 Mbps for HD streaming. If speed is slow, reset your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Step 4. Update the Mac's app to the latest version. Visit your device's app store, search for Mac's, and tap Update if available. Outdated apps often cause loading issues. Step 5. Restart your streaming device completely. Power it off. Wait 30 seconds. Then turn it back on to clear temporary system glitches. Step 6. Uninstall and reinstall the Mac's app if the problem persists. This ensures you have a fresh installation without corrupted files. Step 7. Test Mac's on a different device to determine if the issue is device-specific or account-related. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.